Sahiba, how are you? Can you hear me?
I'm good. How are you?
I am very good, thanks. Very nice to meet you. Did you have a good day?
Nice.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah,
Lovely. And where are you from?
I am from India.
Okay, I see. India is a place I would love to go to. You know, Mumbai? I have a friend that lives in Mumbai, and yeah, and she does yoga. She's a very good friend. Have you
Okay.
been to London?
Not yet.
No. Would you
I
like to
want.
come to London? Yeah? That would be cool. That will
So,
be
what's
cool.
your name?
My name is Jean-Claude, but you can call me JC. Okay? JC.
Okay.
Because my name is very long. Jean-Claude. It's
Short
just
form
easier.
is.
Yeah, exactly. It's easier to say JC.
Okay.
And how long have you been with Cambly?
I joined the Cambly 1 year ago.
1 week ago.
Yes.
And you've already spoken for 1,600 minutes. Wow. You talk a lot on
Just I
Cambly, right?
am.
I see.
I
That's
can't
good.
understand. I can't understand English so much English and not yet.
So you like to study more, right?
Yes. So, what's your profession?
So I'm actually a psychologist. Psychologist? Do
Yeah.
you know what that is?
No.
No? Okay. So so psychologist is someone who talks about people's problem. I'm trying to give you the so in India you speak Arabic or do you speak Hindu? Which language do you speak?
Hindi and Urdu.
Oh, Hindi. Okay.
Yeah.
We say Hindu. Hindi,
I speak Urdu.
sorry. Hindi. Psychology.
You know
So I'm a
Hindi?
psychologist. Sorry, my throat. I typed for you. Can you see? Psychologist.
Oh, no. Urdu. I don't
Urdu.
understand Hindi.
Oh my God. I don't know which one to type here. Oh, Urdu. You speak Urdu. Okay. This one, maybe. This one. Can you see?
I don't understand.
Okay, so a psychologist basically is a doctor. I'm a doctor.
Doctor?
So it's a brain doctor. Yeah, psychologist, brain
Oh,
doctor.
yes. I understand. I see.
So that's what I do. Brain doctor. It's
Oh,
difficult.
true. Yeah, doctor.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's good. But I like Cambly because I can talk to many nice people. I can meet many people like you. It's good. And you?
Okay.
What do you do?
I'm student.
Wow. Okay. So you're at school.
Yes, high school.
Mhm. And what would you like to study in the future as a career?
Mm, I want to become an scholar.
Amazing. That's amazing.
Yes.
And would you like to study abroad?
Islamic study.
Islamic study. Okay.
Yeah.
Must be very
So,
difficult. Sorry. There's a delay. You go first.
Uh-huh. You live with your family?
No. I am 27. Live in London in my house with my wife.
Okay. Married.
Married, yes. And
Okay.
yeah, I'm getting old now. Almost 30. Oh my God. Getting old now, yes.
Oh, you look 25.
Oh my God, I wish. Thank you, I wish.
25, 26.
I hope you are safe, because I know India is serious now with the pandemic, right? Coronavirus is not good.
Yeah, coronavirus.
You must please be careful, okay?
Coronavirus is not so much in our city.
In your city, okay.
Yeah.
But be careful, please. Be careful.
Yeah. Yes, of course.
Because London was also very bad. Maybe 3 months ago, it was very like London. London,
Right now?
not now, no, but London was the same as India 3 months ago. London was the same. It was crazy, same. But it will go away. Just stay strong. It will go away. But be
Okay.
careful, please.
Yeah.
Just stay at home. Gosh. Yeah. So what's the
Okay.
time?
9:47 p.m.
That is so late to
It's
study
the
English.
yeah. It's nice here.
Oh my God.
So
And did you have
what's
dinner?
and yeah?
Oh, me. It's 17, 18 p.m. afternoon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Did you have dinner? Did you have dinner?
Yes. Yeah.
What did you have for dinner?
Actually, it's the month.
No, but it's got rice, right? Definitely rice.
Yes. Rice.
Nice. But India,
Okay.
you have very good food.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So, do you like chicken?
Yes.
Your
I love chicken. I love chicken. Sorry, there's a bit of an internet delay when I speak to you. I don't know why. Yeah, I love chicken. I think my favorite food is seafood. I love seafood. So I would say lobster. Lobster is my favorite.
lobster? Okay.
It's let me show you a picture. This one. Lobster. This one. Oh, trying to show you a picture. Oh my God, it's taking so long. So it's seafood like that, lobster. Oh, you can't see. Wait.
Lobster. Oh,
Hmm. But it's very delicious. Do you like seafood?
no.
That's lobster.
Wow.
It's different, yeah. Anyway, so nice to meet you, Sahiba.
Okay.
And thank you very much. Have a lovely evening, okay? Take care. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Do you have a question, by the way? Do you have a question?
Your oh,
My,
time is
we
very
don't have
little.
lots of time. Oh. But take care, okay? Have a lovely day. Enjoy your evening.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.